What's good? My name is Tay Wilkins, and if you're checking out this video, that means that you're looking for a way to make money online using your smartphone. Disclaimer, this isn't going to make you rich. You're not going to make $1 billion overnight. This is just something simple that you can use to put a couple extra dollars in your pocket. Maybe you want to pay some bills, it's a holiday season. Maybe you want to put some money aside for some Christmas presents, or you could just be one of those people that like hoarding toilet paper. That we're talking about today is called Make Money app or Make Money app, okay? And again, the way it works is that they pay you to send you text messages, okay? The way this works is that the company is testing their systems to make sure their SMS messages work, okay? They send these SMS messages to their subscribers, and they want to make sure everything is in order, nobody's getting text fraud and things like that, okay? So they need people like us to allow them to send us text messages to make sure everything is in working order, okay? Now, if you're wondering about privacy and all that other stuff, this company is pretty strict with their privacy policies, and you don't have to worry about any but funny business when sharing your information, like your phone number and all that stuff like that. So you don't have to worry about them sending it to like random partners and all that other crazy stuff. It's pretty secure. So again, you don't have to worry about any of that, okay? So right here, get paid real money for helping us improve worldwide communication, okay? So basically, you see right here, it says download APK. Something I forgot to mention earlier is that this is only for Android users. So iOS users, I have to apologize, but this isn't going to work for you. But if you have an Android device, you can go ahead and you can use this program, okay? So right here, real quick, it shows you earn cash. Just install the app. We'll send you random text messages, and you can earn money to receive text messages, okay? Now, they do send these randomly, and they can come at any time of the day, anytime in the morning, anytime at night, okay? They are pretty random, all right? Just so you know, all right? Like I said earlier, it's on Android, and like I said, it's extremely safe and secure privacy-wise, okay? So they do pay via PayPal, okay? And they are worldwide. So basically, if you're in a country where you can use PayPal, you can use this program, okay? So now I do want to bring up another site for those of you who can't use this one because maybe the country you're in, you can't use this program, but there's another one that's similar to it that's called Money SMS, okay? The Money SMS it pretty much works exactly the same way as Make Money, okay? They send you text messages, you get paid for it, okay? And again, just download the app to your Android device, all right? Now, there is one more way that you can make money with both of these because they both have this type of program, and that's their referral program. And the way it works is that when you refer somebody to use the program, all right, the minute they start receiving text messages, you both earn bonus cash, okay? Both of you. So you use it, and while you're getting text messages, you share it to other people, and when they start getting text messages, y'all both earn money that way as well. So it's a pretty cool way, a pretty easy way to make extra money. And you don't have to do anything other than receive text messages. This is super easy, and there's nothing really hard or complicated about doing this, okay? So I just wanted to share that with you real quickly. Like I said, it's a great and easy way for you to make money online, or make money with your smartphone, and you really don't have to do anything at all, okay? So that's all I got for today's video. Let me know in the comments if you're going to go ahead and use this and check this app out, okay? I'll leave links down below so that you can sign up. And like I said earlier, they have that referral program, so I'll leave my affiliate links down there, and you can go ahead and you can get signed up to the program, and you can, when you start receiving your text message, you can earn a bonus, and I'll earn a bonus as well. It'll be beneficial to the both of us, okay? So like I said, links down below will be, the links will be down below the description box, so make sure you go ahead and check them out if you're interested in using this program, okay? With that being said, I'm done with this video. Peace out. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.